Today we're going to bring a vegetable slicer. Now this is all the components you get. You get the actual knob, you get the actual footing. These are actually suction cups that you actually put at the end of the footing. And then they give you 4 blades, all right? These are additional blades. You can sharpen them if you guys see. They're very sharp. They're one-sided blade. They're replaceable, easy to replace too. And here's the actual blade if you guys can see it on the actual system itself. This is a turning spinning. This will actually adjust the size of the actual thinness, all right? It tells you thin one way and thick on the other way, all right? And you guys can see it. Thin and thick in one way. And then, of course, you need to remove this part here in the front. Easy to remove the part to actually adjust and clean it out too. Now, to actually put vegetables in here or any kind of the things that you're gonna slice, you pull it back. It's pretty much spring loaded, right? This does not lock in place. It actually pushes the vegetables in. Very simple. We're gonna put it to use and see how well it works. All right, when you start the knobs, I'm gonna actually put the blades on the side here so you guys can see that I'm gonna put the blades. Don't need all of them. We're just gonna put them away right now. So we're gonna put that on the side. So the knob actually ties up in here, and it's just very simple. It's just a twist knob, all right? And this is a manual version, all right? They do have an automatics version for a fast restaurants that need for cutting. So I'm gonna tie this up. It's very simple just to tie it, all right? Just be careful, be aware that there's 2 blades in here, right? So we're gonna spin it. We're gonna spin it one way. But before we do that, we're gonna actually put the legs in here, the suction cup, so it won't move too much. All right, there's one here. We got it all set. We're gonna go ahead and start cutting things, all right? And we're testing it out. But if you have to, it starts getting too slow, you can always put olive oil or any kind of cooking oil to make it a little slippery, right? And remember, the thin part and the thicker part, right? It's easy. Thin, we're gonna do a little thin slices. So we're gonna start with 1 potato. We'll put 1 potato in there. 1 potato, and then we're gonna start slicing the potato, right? There's the slices. If you guys can see, look how fine, thin the slices are. These are really fine, thin. We're gonna do 2 versions of it, right? Look how fine, thin the slices are. Almost see-through. Look at that. Beautiful slices of potatoes that I did. You can do fried potatoes with this stuff. Very simple. But before, I recommend if you're going to use potato, take out and remove the starch, all right? That's important. So we got it done. The potato's done. All done. We're going to do another one, and we're going to actually get it a little bit thicker. Now, to thicken it, we're gonna go into the thick part. So we're gonna do 2, 3, 4, all right? And we're gonna try to cut it now to see how thick it goes. And this is a little thicker. All right, we're gonna try it some more, thicker. All right, let's try again. There we go, thicker. So this is a thick one, if you guys can see the thick version, and this is a thin version, all right? Thick, thin, I like it this thick, so very good. So you can continue on. If you get stuck, just be careful not to put your fingers in there. Continue some more. Simple. Didn't have to struggle, do anything. It's working very well. Move this around. Beautiful slices, beautiful slices. Done with all the slicing the potatoes. This would have taken me a long time to do. It would take me probably an hour just to do this thing. When the process itself, it took about 2 minutes to do. So for fast food restaurants, this is a perfect device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.